How do I use Afterpay on Amazon?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss a topic that's been getting a lot of attention lately: how to use Afterpay on Amazon. If you've ever wanted to buy something from Amazon but wish to split your payments over time, this video will be very useful for you.
What is Afterpay?
Afterpay is a service that allows you to make purchases and then pay for them in 4 equal payments made every 2 weeks without any interest. It's a great way to budget for bigger purchases or to avoid the hit of a large one-time payment. Let's get into how you can use Afterpay on Amazon.
Is Afterpay available on Amazon?
As of now, Amazon doesn't officially support Afterpay as a payment method directly on their site. However, there's a workaround. You can use the Afterpay app and its built-in browser feature to shop on Amazon and check out with Afterpay. Let's explore that in the next section.
How to use Afterpay for Amazon purchases.
Firstly, download the Afterpay app from your device's app store and set up an account if you haven't done so already. 1. Open the Afterpay app. 2. Tap on the Stores tab at the bottom. 3. Search for Amazon in the search bar at the top of the screen. 4. Tap on the Amazon logo, and you'll be taken to the Amazon site through the Afterpay in-app browser. 5. Now, shop as you usually would. Add items to your cart. 6. Proceed to checkout. When asked for payment, you don't have to choose Afterpay. Just proceed with the normal checkout process. 7. Complete the purchase. After you complete the purchase, the transaction will automatically be set up in your Afterpay account to be paid off in 4 equal installments over 6 weeks. And that's it. You've learned how to use Afterpay on Amazon. We hope you found this video helpful. Now, you can shop with greater flexibility and manage your budget more effectively. Happy shopping!